Let's build a personal assistant. I want it to help me with my calendar, emails, to-do lists, and even keep an eye on my home. I use Brev to turn my DGX Spark into a personal cloud. So I can use the same interface whether I'm using a cloud GPU or a DGX Spark. I use a Frontier Model API to easily get started. I want it to help me with my emails, so I create an email tool for my agent to call. I want my emails to stay private, so I'll add an open model that's running locally on the Spark. Now for any job, I want the agent to use the right model for the right task, so I'll use an intent-based model router. This way, prompts that need email will stay on my Spark, and everything else can call the Frontier model. I want my assistant to interact with my world, so I'll hook it up to Hugging Face's Reachy mini robot. My agent controls the head, ears, and camera of the Reachy with tool calls. I want to give Reachy a voice, and I really like 11 Labs, so I'll hook up their API.
Hi, I'm Reachy, running on DGX Spark.
Hey Reachy, what's on my to-do list today?
Your to-do list today. Grab groceries, eggs, milk, butter, and send Jensen the new script.
Okay, let's send Jensen that update. Tell him we'll have it for him by the end of the day.
Will do.
Reachy, there's a sketch too. Can you turn it into an architectural rendering?
Sure.
Nice. Now make a video and show me around the room.
Here you go.
That's great. With Brev, I can share access to my Spark and Reachy, so I'm going to share it with Anna.
Hey Reachy, what's Potato up to?
He's on the couch. I remember you don't like this. I'll tell him to get off. Potato, off the couch.
With all the progress in open source, it's incredible to see what you can build. I'd love to see what you create.